I wanted to share these dawn to dusk night lights that JandCase kindly gifted to me because honestly, they've made such a helpful difference in our nightly routine. I'm using them in my son's bedroom and bathroom so he can start feeling more confident going to the bathroom by himself at night. These plug directly into the wall, and the moment you plug them in, they automatically turn on when the room gets dark and they shut off when there's enough light. So I never have to remember to switch anything on or off, which is great. The lighting is this really soft 3000K warm light, which is perfect because it gives enough brightness to see clearly, but it's not harsh or disruptive. My son isn't startled awake by it, and it doesn't light up the entire room like some night lights do. You can also adjust the brightness, which I love because I can keep it dim in his bedroom and a little brighter in the bathroom so he feels safe walking back and forth at night. What I appreciate most is how simple and reliable they are. They're slim enough to stay out of the way, and they look clean and modern once they're plugged in. And truly, the dusk-to-dawn sensor works perfectly. There's no flickering, no guessing, just soft, consistent light exactly when it's needed. So if you're looking to help your little one feel more independent at night, or you just want a safer, well-lit hallway and bathroom, these JandCase Night Lights are such a great little upgrade. They've made evenings so much smoother around here, and I love that it's one of those small changes that makes a big difference. So I definitely recommend giving them a try.